emotion detector created by LunafireX. The emotion detector is an AI-powered system designed to recognize 7 key emotions: happiness, sadness, disgust, anger, fear, neutral, and surprise. At its core, it uses Google Gemini, a powerful multimodal AI engine, to analyze facial expressions and map them to the correct emotional state. By capturing subtle cues, the system delivers real-time and reliable predictions. This project shows how machines can understand human emotions, opening doors to applications in education, customer service, entertainment, and mental health support. To use the emotion detector, upload a picture of choice, and the software would automatically predict the emotion of the picture. We are going to repeat this with various pictures to show that it can detect various emotions with high degree of accuracy. The GitHub link is in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support us in creating more projects like this. We hope you enjoyed the video. We'll keep bringing you more creative content like this, so stay tuned and share it with others who'd love it too.